African food. In Embu language, we call it githeri. Ama in Kiembu, githeri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, follow, like, share to your friends. Today we are cooking African delicious food. In our language, we call it githeri in Kiembu. Welcome. We start by selecting beans. Wow. Githeri is a mixture of beans and maize. Remember, githeri is made of beans and maize. Let us know in your village or with the same. Send a good comment. Thank you. We clean both maize and beans well. We clean well. Then we rinse with the clean water. Wow, that is how we clean them in Kenya. Remember, we are in Embu, Eastern Kenya, Africa. Make sure the firewood is ready and the fire is ready. So, we shall boil githeri for 3 hours. Githeri is ready now. Wow, delicious. We shall fry with cabbage. We shall fry our githeri with cabbage. So we start by cutting our cabbage into pieces.
Nikinamisha kwa mboga auonekani macho.
Leave a good comment for your mom. We are Hebians. Wash tomatoes well and cut into pieces. Cut into pieces. Fry onions until they are brown in color. Add tomatoes and salt. Wow. Wow. Remember, we are located in Embu, Eastern Kenya. Subscribe to my channel. I'm Margaret Yokimogo from Embu. Here our language is Kiembu. We add cabbages. We add cabbages respectively. Mix well. African woman. Here we use firewood in our kitchen. Wow. And githeri and mix well. Wow, there is a lot of smoke, you can see. We add some water for soup. We add some water for soup. Remember, our githeri is delicious with soup. Show me your love. Served with avocado. Wow. Thank you, my followers. Thank you, my subscribers. We are 257 subscribers. way to 1,000 subscribers. Please, humble request, subscribe. Thank you.